Yo, what up, YouTube, man? It's your boy J-Ro, man. I'm back with another video. This video is gonna be about these right here. It may look small and like they don't do nothing, but these gonna change my truck. So basically what I'm doing is I'm gonna change these lights out. These are the reverse lights. And basically they're not LED, so I'm gonna make them LED. I guess they're fluorescent bulbs or the old style bulbs. So first I'm gonna show you exactly how the old style looks. All right, so this is how the old style lights look. I don't know if you can see that good or not, but I'm hoping this thing don't come out of parking brake, don't pop off or nothing. Truck start rolling back on me or something. But yeah, this is how it looks. This the factory lights. All right, so I'm thinking that the only tools that I'm gonna need is this little piece right here. This is a star bit. It's gonna go right here. I'm gonna take these two out, this one and this one. I'm gonna just use my drill, and I think that's all I'm gonna need. So I'm gonna get everything hooked up, and well, first I'm gonna take the lights off, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I got it off. It only took these two screws right here, and you have to pull this part and it comes straight off. And I'm guessing it's gonna be this light right here, right there. It should be. Let me see if it's gonna. Okay, yeah, that light right there. I'm thinking that's gonna be the one. All right, so you just had to twist this out. You had to twist it and pull it out, and then basically this bulb comes out right here, and you just pop the new one in right there. So that was easy. It only took me like a minute. Hey man, check this out. Check out the difference, man. Check that out, man. Look at this. This light compared to this light. That's so much better. The smoke is getting in the way. I just started this truck up, so man, that's a big difference, man. You can tell the difference. That one on the left looks yellow. The other one just looks real bright white. So man, oh man, I gotta change all the lights out now. Oh man, I'm gonna go ahead and take the other one out, swap that one out, and then I'll be right back. All right, so this is the finished product, man. It looks great, man. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to where I got them from. Got them off Amazon. I think it was like $13. Came like next day. The next day, man. It's definitely worth the upgrade, man. I'm gonna have to do the tag lights, and I think the blinkers in the front are the only ones that don't have the LED lights. So man, so if y'all like the video, man, just let me know in the comment section, or you can like the video, and if you want, you can subscribe. And I'm also put a cold air intake in today. As soon as it come in the mail, I'm gonna put that in, and I'm gonna make a video on that also. So make sure you go subscribe, man, because I definitely will be posting. I'll be posting again. You can see I just washed it, so my tire still got the tire shine stuff on it. And yeah, man, y'all go ahead and like, subscribe, man, and support your boy J-Ro, man. I'll be back with another video, man.